Well, here we are, and try to buy our first auction rebuild car, or truck actually. Let's see how this goes. It's gonna be next on the block. Got it. 17.9. Well, what do you know? The truck is here. I know, it looks scary, huh? Let me do a little walk around. It's got a few little nicks and scratches here and there, but the damage is obviously contained to this area. Looks like the frame rail has a little kink in it, but not a big deal. We're gonna fix this baby up. I already fired it up. Thing starts nice. Obviously all the bags are popped, but we'll get that fixed. Alright, so I'm gonna start with taking this little panel off up here. That way I can pull the grill off, the headlight, and I want to get to the bumper because it's really messing up the tire. Yeah, this thing's no good anymore, but probably gonna have to get on a new tire. We'll deal with that once we get closer to the end of the project, but well, there's not much to say. I mean, the inner structure of the fender and the fender, it's all one piece, so there's no apron in here or anything like that. Everything's bolted on to the firewall of the truck. So once we get all this off, you'll see how it is. But main concern right now is to take all of these parts off, get to the fan. The fan is hitting the radiator or the intercooler back there, so I'm gonna get that out of the way, get the truck fired up, and take it across the street. I actually live just across the street from this place. This is my neighbor's place. He let me drop in here and get this figured out, so be back shortly.